Do you want to come give Mommy a high five? Come here. Come here. Let's give a high five. Get a treat. Come get a treat. Come here. Get over here. You want a treat? You want a high five for it? You ready? You have to sit pretty. Ready? Mommy, high five. Get it. Good boy. That was very nice. Here's your treat. Do you want to give me another high five? High five. Good boy. Who's a good boy? One more high five. High five. Good boy. Here you go. Say bye, Crash. Bye. Is that good? Yum.